Hello everyone, and welcome back to Arts and Craft Kingdom. Today, I will show you how to draw this amazing and colorful Rubik's Cube. Grab some papers, markers and a ruler, and let's get started. We will start off by drawing the top face of our cube. That will look like a diamond. We will draw the left and right point, making sure they are at the same height. We can do that by using our ruler. Next, we will draw the bottom and top point of our diamond. Now that we have our 4 points, we can connect them by drawing 4 oblique lines. If you want to be more precise, you can use your ruler to help. Take your time with it. We now have the top face of our cube. For the next 2 faces, I will draw 3 straight lines coming down from the 3 lower points of our diamond. We will proceed the same way. We will draw our 3 points and connect them with straight lines using our ruler. The next step will be connecting the left line with the middle and right line by adding the bottom oblique line meeting in the middle. You can use your ruler to make sure they're nice and straight. We are going to continue by drawing 2 vertical lines on our right face. One, and 2. This way, we will have 3 vertical columns within the square face. I'm going to repeat the same process for the left face. Next, add 2 oblique horizontal lines to each face. This should create 6 small squares within each of our Rubik Cube's faces. Now repeat the same for the top face. We now have the outlines for our Rubik's Cube. Time to color in. I'm going to start with the color yellow for the top face, but you can choose any color you like. Next, I will use red. And for my last face, I will be using green. Make sure to stay within the lines and not leave any white spot. And that's it! Our Rubik's Cube is ready. Well done everyone, and remember as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art! In this part of the episode, we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts you have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Ben. Wow, well done! I love the shading you did with the light blue color on your name, and I also really like the frame. Well done, Ben! If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. And that's all we have time for today. See you soon!